Sustainable biofuel production from agricultural waste, advances in biochemical and thermochemical conversion pathways. By Francis Mecounier and Peter McKinday. Introduction. Agricultural waste represents an underutilized renewable resource with significant potential for biofuel production. As global energy demands increase and climate change concerns intensify, the need for sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels has become critical. Agricultural residues and byproducts offer a promising feedstock option that avoids competition with food production while addressing waste management challenges. These materials, primarily composed of lignocellulosic biomass, can be converted through various biological and thermochemical processes to produce liquid biofuels and biogas, potentially contributing to greenhouse gas mitigation efforts while supporting rural economies. This study aims to evaluate the latest advancement in the production of biofuels from agricultural waste. Materials and methods. The study examines various types of agricultural waste, including crop residues, animal manure, and agroindustrial byproducts, analyzing their composition and suitability for biofuel production. Different conversion pathways are investigated, including fermentation, anaerobic digestion, pyrolysis, and gasification. The research evaluates pretreatment methods, enzyme production pathways, and synthesis processes for various biofuels like ethanol, butanol, and diesel substitutes. Case studies of operational plants and feasibility studies are analyzed to assess technical and economic viability at commercial scale. Environmental impact assessments focus on greenhouse gas emissions, soil nutrient cycling, and sustainability metrics. Results. The analysis reveals that agricultural waste can be effectively converted to biofuels through multiple pathways, each with specific advantages and challenges. Fermentation and anaerobic digestion show promising results for bioethanol and biogas production, while thermochemical processes demonstrate potential for producing advanced liquid fuels. Case studies indicate that commercial-scale operations are technically feasible, though economic viability varies with feedstock availability and processing efficiency. Environmental assessments show significant greenhouse gas reductions compared to fossil fuels, with additional benefits in waste management and soil nutrient recycling when properly implemented. Discussion. While agricultural waste shows promise as a biofuel feedstock, several challenges must be addressed for widespread adoption. These include feedstock logistics, seasonal availability, and heterogeneous composition affecting conversion efficiency. Pretreatment technologies and process optimization remain critical areas for improvement. Economic viability depends on scale, technology selection, and policy support. Environmental benefits are significant but require careful management of soil health and nutrient cycling. Future research should focus on improving conversion efficiencies, developing integrated biorefinery concepts, and establishing sustainable supply chains. Conclusion. Agricultural waste represents a viable and sustainable feedstock for biofuel production when integrated with appropriate conversion technologies. The review finds that while technical feasibility has been demonstrated at various scales, continued advancement in pretreatment technologies, process efficiency, and supply chain management is needed. Environmental benefits are substantial, particularly in greenhouse gas mitigation and waste management. Success in commercialization will require supportive policy frameworks, improved technology integration, and demonstration of long-term sustainability. The sector shows significant potential for contributing to renewable energy goals while supporting agricultural waste management and rural development. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.